Good morning, children. In this video, I will show you how to write capital letters in 4-line notebook. You can see here 3 boxes. First is uppercase, second is middle case, and third one is lowercase. हम जब भी कैपिटल लेटर लिखते हैं तो इन 3 लाइनों में लिखते हैं, अपर एंड मिडल केस में. वी डोंट यूज द लास्ट वन, लोअर केस. कैपिटल लेटर में हम लोअर केस का यूज नहीं करते. तो लेट अस स्टार्ट सम बेसिक स्ट्रोक्स टू लर्न हाउ टू राइट इन 4 लाइन्स. The first one is standing line. Up to down. Up to down is standing line. Up to down. Up to down. Up to down. Up to down is standing line. Second is sleeping line. Left to right. Left to right, sleeping line. 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 Next is slanting line. Right to left. When we write left to right, it is called slanting line. Left to right, left to right, slanting line. Left to right, slanting line. Half circle. Make a fine curve like this. Half circle. Like this. Make a fine curve. Half circle. You noticed one thing. We are writing in 3 lines only. We are not using this red one, this lowercase. Okay? We are writing in our 3 lines. Half circle. Backward half circle. Make a fine curve like this. Half circle. Backward half circle. Backward half circle. Make a fine curve like this. Now we will learn how to make circle. First of all, we will draw half circle. Up, up, up. Make a fine curve and join where you start. Here it is. Full circle. Half circle. Up, up, up. Make a fine curve. Up and join where you start. Circle. Full circle. Half circle. Up, up, up. Up. Join where you start. Full circle. Half circle. Up, up, up and join where you start. It is full circle. These are some basic steps for capital letter. If you like my video, please like, comment and share. Thank you.